Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may not have been removed. With the back cover off, you will now see the internal components of the vacuum. This is a great opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the internal parts, ensuring that everything is free from dirt. Regular cleaning can help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. Now let's focus on replacing the body. Take your new body component and align it with the internal structure of the vacuum. Ensure that all clips and connectors are properly aligned. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the new body is in place, press down firmly to secure it. You should hear a click as the clips engage. After this, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it into place, ensuring that all clips are secured. Now retrieve the screws you set aside earlier. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, reinsert the screws into their respective holes. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the back cover, it's essential to check that everything is functioning correctly. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure that the suction is working as expected. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this task yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your Dyson SV14 serviced without hassle. In summary, replacing the body of your Dyson SV14 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.